Hi guys, I'm Lauren Orlando, and today I'm at home with 17 for beauty school. Now I look very crazy. I feel like I've been saying lashes a lot in this video. I'm about to get ready for today. I'm currently in my bathroom about to do my skincare and makeup routine. So I wanted to show you guys that. And then I'm also thinking that we can head over to my closet and pick out an outfit because I haven't decided what to wear today yet. So let's get into it. So the very first step of my skincare routine is just to cleanse my face, and I've been using the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser, and this says it's for normal to oily skin. They also have another one that's for drier skin, so sometimes I use that one, but this is the one I'm using right now. And I've been using this for a few months. My dermatologist recommended it, so I mean, I feel like it's gotta be good. She liked it, and also it's kind of blowing up on TikTok right now, which is really cool because I feel like it means that it must actually be a good cleanser, but at the same time it also makes it really hard to find because it's always sold out everywhere. But yeah, this is the first step in my routine. I just kind of put this all over my face and try not to get it in my hair. That normally doesn't work, but it's okay. And then I'm just gonna go rinse this off and I'll be right back. So I just washed my face and now the cleanser is off, but the CeraVe cleanser actually works really well to remove makeup as well. But sometimes if I'm wearing foundation or concealer, then I want to use an actual makeup remover, and I try to avoid makeup wipes. So recently I've been using the Biotherm Total Renewal Balm, and it's just a cleansing balm that really helps to take off all of your makeup. It gets off like waterproof mascara, really everything. So if you guys need a product that will get off all of the makeup when your cleanser can't, I recommend this one. But I'm not going to be using this one today because I wasn't wearing any makeup before. But the next step in my skincare routine is just to moisturize. I've been obsessed with this moisturizer. It's the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer, and it says it's good for sensitive skin, and my skin reacts to everything, so this one's perfect for me. And I just put a little bit on my hand and then apply that to my face. And then I just rub that in all over my face. And I have pretty sensitive skin, but I find that this moisturizer doesn't irritate my skin at all, and neither does the cleanser. At night I use a few more products that are more moisturizing, and I like to do some masks sometimes, but I feel like in the morning I like to just keep it light. So the only product that I use after my moisturizer is just a sunscreen, and recently I've been using the Glossier Invisible Shield Sunscreen. And honestly, I just think any SPF is really good for your skin. It's something that my mom's talked about for a while. And this Glossier one is just really light. So I just apply that all over my face. And I feel like SPF is one of those things that you can forget about if it's cloudy out. Like sometimes I'm like, oh, it's not sunny, so I don't need to put on sunscreen, but I feel like that's not always true. I think it's always good to be wearing sunscreen. And once I've applied my sunscreen, I am finished my morning skincare routine, and then I can move on to makeup. So let's see what's in my makeup bag. For my makeup routine, I also like to keep it pretty light. I don't use any foundation or anything most of the time. Sometimes a tinted moisturizer if I'm feeling really crazy, but I normally just start with concealer. So I'll show you guys what concealer I've been using recently. It's the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this has been my go-to concealer for like 2 years, so it's one of my favorites. I just apply this concealer under my eyes and then anywhere where I have any blemishes. So right now, my chin is breaking out a little bit and a bit up here on my forehead. And now I look very crazy. But once it's all over my face, I blend it in. I've been using this brush. It's the Sigma 39 HD Kabuki brush. Brushes can be super complicated. There's like a million different types, and honestly, I'm definitely a beginner when it comes to makeup. So I don't know too much about brushes, but this one is really good because the shape of it allows you to get into right like under your eyes. Concealer honestly saves me sometimes when I have bags and I want to cover them up. Concealer always comes in clutch. And then once I'm done with that, I move on to powder. For powder, I use this one. It's the MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC20. And I use this fluffy Morphe brush and just apply that mostly on my forehead and T-zone because that's where I get oily most of the time. So this powder really stops me from getting oily. I really appreciate it. Then I use this bronzer, and this is the Benefit Hoola bronzer. I've been using the same bronzer for like 2 years, so that's how you know I really like it. And I've only really been wearing makeup for maybe like 2 or 3 years, so this one has really stuck with me since the beginning. Don't worry, it's not the exact same one. And I just put that on my jawline and on my cheekbones, and then I carry that up by my hairline. I was really into makeup YouTube videos, like makeup tutorials for a while, so I just kind of picked up all my tips from everyone else. And someone told me to put it on my forehead, so I guess that's why I do it. So the next step in my makeup routine is blush, and I've been obsessed with blush recently, especially liquid and mousse blushes. So this is the Morphe 2 Wonder Tint Cheek and Lip Mousse. Oh, you can use it on your lips too. Very versatile, in the shade Amaze. And I just put this on my cheeks and also a bit on my nose because I think it looks super cute. And it's really pigmented, so you really have to blend it in. Too much. See, sometimes I put on too much and then I just have to really aggressively blend it in. But we're getting there. And then after I use blush, I move on to highlighter because I love to look glowy. This is the Morphe X Maddie Ziegler Face Gloss Stick. I try to just put it on my cheekbones and on my nose, and a little bit on my lip too, but then I end up putting it everywhere because, I mean, I feel like looking glowy and glossy is always a cute look. And then sometimes I bring it up under my eyebrow as well. That's what I mean when I say I just end up putting it everywhere, but it's okay, I don't mind. And I love this highlighter stick because I feel like it looks super natural still, whereas when you use like a powder highlighter, it can look like you're wearing a bit more makeup, and I'm really into the natural look, so I've been super obsessed with this one recently. And now I'm moving on to eyes. I really don't wear too much eyeshadow on a daily basis. I actually really like using the Benefit Hoola bronzer on my eyelids as well, and it looks super natural, so I just put that pretty much all over my eyelids, and I focus a lot of the product in my crease. I would love to be the kind of person that plays around with bright colors and everything, but I feel like that requires a lot of skill. Maybe I'll get there one day, but for now I'm sticking to neutrals. And then I move on to lashes, and lashes are one of my favorite steps in my beauty routine. I feel like right now I look pretty similar to when I started, but then after I do my lashes, it's a game changer, okay? So first I curl my lashes. Eyelash curlers kind of scare me. I used to be terrified of them, but I'm learning how to use them. And once I've curled my lashes, I go in with mascara, and this is the L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Mascara in the shade Black Brown. And I've actually, this is a little tip if you want a more natural makeup look, is you can actually use a brown mascara, or like this is a black brown mascara, and it looks a bit more natural. But just put that on my lashes. I put it on my top and bottom lashes. But I think if you skip your bottom lashes and just put on your top lashes, it also looks more natural. I feel like I've been saying lashes a lot in this video. And then after mascara, I move on to eyebrows, and my eyebrows are kind of crazy when I don't brush through them, so I love to use this product. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, and I just brush that through my eyebrows. Try to tame them a little bit because they're pretty long and a bit crazy. I usually just brush them up and then I brush them down, and I feel like that gives them a nice shape. And then the very last step in my makeup routine is just lips. I use this Vaseline tinted lip balm, and it's a cute little pink color. Just put that all over my lips. It gives my lips a nice rosy tint. And now that my makeup is all done, we can go pick out an outfit. So I'm here with a few of my favorite pieces from my closet, and I'm gonna pick out an outfit to wear today. So I have some shirts and jeans over here, a few jackets, some shoes down there, and a few purses as well. And I'm gonna try them on, and you guys can let me know what you think of each one of them. So the first one I'm thinking is this look, and it is this blue cardigan with a white shirt underneath and these black jeans. So I'm gonna go try it on. So this is my first look. I paired these black high-waisted jeans with a white shirt and a blue cardigan, and I actually really like this look. It's super comfortable, but I'm a little bit worried about it being hot out. So I'm thinking maybe next I'll try this look. It's just a green dress with a white shirt underneath. This one might be a bit better for the warm weather. So let's try it on. So this is look number 2. I'm wearing this green dress with a white long sleeve underneath, and I really love layering, so I'm really into this outfit. But there's one more that I want to show you guys, and that is this green button-up with a white tank top underneath and these blue jeans. And this is super casual, and I am hanging out with my friends today, So I think this could be a good option, but I'm gonna go try it on. So this is the third look, and I think this one might be my favorite. It's super casual and very comfortable, but I think it would be a good outfit for hanging out with my friends, and definitely perfect for the weather in Toronto right now. I'm thinking I could accessorize a little bit though. So I think I'm gonna stick with outfit number 3, but I did add some accessories that I wanna show you guys. So I put on this white headband. I've been in love with headbands recently. They're great for getting your hair out of the way, and also I think that they just look super cute. And I also added this white purse because it just went super well with the outfit. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section down below how well you guys think I did, and also if you guys have a favorite outfit, I wanna hear about it. And also be sure to check out Total Eclipse on Brat's YouTube channel because I play Kate. Stuff is starting to get very crazy, so you don't want to miss out. And also, if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to 17's YouTube channel. I'll see you guys later. Bye!